गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, दिस इज आवर डे 2 इन सापा। आज हम फैंसी पान जा रहे हैं एंड दिस इज द वेदर ओवर हियर। दूर दूर पूरा फॉग है, सो अभी धूप निकली है। लेट्स सी हमें वहाँ पे कैसा वेदर मिलता है। सी गाइस देयर, हम लोग सापा स्टेशन पे पहुँच चुके हैं एंड अभी हम लोग मोनोरेल यहाँ की होती है फैनिक्यूलर, उसमें जा रहे हैं केबल कार तक ऊपर।
This is the same station which I had shown in my previous vlog. यहाँ से हमको टिकट लेनी पड़ती है which costs approximately 4,000 rupees per person, which includes the round trip cable car ride and the funicular rides. Let's see what's waiting for us. Now we are boarding the funicular. This charming little train will take us to the Fansipan cable car station. Let's go! The best tip to enjoy Fansipan without the rush is to catch the first funicular in the morning. The funicular here starts around 8 am. As we move uphill, we can see the beautiful views of Sapa. In just a few minutes, we'll reach the cable car station where the real adventure begins.
We have reached Mono station. Now we will go in the cable car to the top and then again one more funicular.
We have boarded the cable car. And wow, just look at these rolling green hills, deep valleys and layers of mist covering the peaks. We are now halfway up and the clouds are getting thicker. The weather here changes so fast, it's magical. We are out of the cable car and this is the level 1 of Fansipan.
यहाँ पे पूरा फॉग है, कम दिख रहा है।
As we move ahead, we are greeted by stunning Buddhist architecture and intricate stone paths. This place is such a peaceful vibe, even with the strong winds and mist all around us. Level 1 is too foggy, so we decided to go to the Fansipan summit first and then we'll come back to level 1. To go to the Fansipan summit, you have two options. One is to go by the stairs and the other is to go by the funicular. So we will be going by the funicular because it's included in our ticket. Let's hop in and enjoy the ride. This funicular is a short but steep ride, taking us even higher into the clouds. As we start moving, the views become even more surreal. We are literally rising through the mist. It feels like we are entering another world. We have reached the Fansipan summit. Standing at 3,143 meters above sea level, we are officially at the highest point in Vietnam, Laos and Cambodia.
Flag change कर रहे हैं।
We got to experience the flag changing ceremony over here. This is the highest national flagpole in Indochina, a symbol of strength, unity and achievement. It's amazing to witness this movement at such a breathtaking location. This is one of those places that truly makes you feel on top of the world. We are completely surrounded by thick fog. No mountain views today, just an ocean of mist all around us. It's like we are standing in middle of the clouds. Normally you'd see breathtaking mountain ranges and valleys from here, but today unfortunately we didn't get the view.
धूप आ गई, क्लियर हो रहा है above the clouds. देखो दिस इज इंडो-चाइना's हाईएस्ट पीक एंड अभी यहाँ पे सिर्फ 4 डिग्रीज है, बहुत ठंडा है और हम लोग यहाँ पे वो फॉग क्लियर होने का वेट तो कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं होगा या नहीं। तो नीचे बहुत अच्छा व्यू होता है यहाँ से, दो साइड का व्यू दिखा दिया मैंने, जैसे वो पूरे माउंटेन्स दिख रहे थे पर यहाँ से नहीं दिख रहा।
Well, we made it to Fansipan summit, but the fog had other plans. Since we couldn't get the view, we are back down to explore the level 1. This area is filled with traditional Vietnamese pagodas and intricate stone carvings. Even with the mist, the atmosphere feels so peaceful and spiritual. These ancient style temples and pagodas reflect traditional Vietnamese and Buddhist architecture. The curved rooftops, stone pathways and shrines make this place feel like stepping back in time. The fog actually adds to the beauty. It makes everything look like a hidden temple in the sky. As we explored the ancient temples, we came across this person ringing a giant bronze bell, a sacred symbol in Buddhist culture. The sound of the bell is deep and echoing through the mist. There's something truly powerful and peaceful about this moment. The combination of the fog, the mountain air and the sound of the bell, it's like time slows down for a second. This is the pagoda style tower built in traditional Vietnamese Buddhist architecture. It stands tall amidst the mist, adding to the mystical beauty of Fansipan. With the fog surrounding it, the tower looks like it belongs to the forgotten temple in the clouds. Now we are heading to one of the most famous attractions of Fansipan, the Great Amitabha Buddha statue. These are the funicular tracks जहाँ से हम ऊपर गए थे. It's so steep. And here it is, the Great Amitabha Buddha statue. Standing over 21 meters tall, this massive bronze statue is a true symbol of peace and enlightenment. Now we'll be going inside this pagoda. After the Amitabha statue, we came back down to the second funicular station where we started our journey to the peak. And guess what? The fog has cleared a little. Finally, we can see some of the stunning mountain landscape. This is why you should always take your time here and avoid coming here by tour. The weather changes so fast and you never know when the clouds might open up for a perfect view.
Whoa, fully clear.
Just look at this breathtaking view. Now we are going back down from the cable car. This feels like we are floating on the clouds. With the clouds clearing up, we can finally see the green valleys and terraced rice fields far below. It's a stunning sight. and we are back to the base station.
केबल कार से नीचे आए, ये एक और लेवल है उनका जहाँ पे सारे गार्डन्स हैं। ये एंट्रेंस है। यहाँ अंदर बहुत सारे गार्डन्स बने हैं।
In these gardens, you'll find some beautiful photo spots where you can take aesthetic pictures. You will hear music playing all around these gardens, making the whole vibe even more magical.
यहाँ फैंसी पान में 2 पार्ट्स है। एक फैंसी पान समिट का पूरा ऊपर का एरिया है जहाँ बुद्धा स्टैचू और सब, और यहाँ एक नीचे का पार्ट है जहाँ फ्लावर गार्डन, बहुत सारे फोटो स्पॉट्स है, क्लॉक टावर और सब। अभी हम ऊपर जाके आ गए हैं, नीचे का हमने फ्लावर गार्डन कवर किया है। अभी हम ऊपर क्लॉक टावर पे जाते हैं। ये फैंसी पान में यहाँ पे लिखा है आई लव फैंसी पान। बहुत सारे फोटो स्पॉट्स हैं ऐसे बनाए हुए। लेट्स सी ऊपर क्या आता है। बहुत ज्यादा फॉग है, आई कांट सी एनीथिंग इधर से। ऊपर जाके दिखेगा।
As we continue our exploration, we have come across this calming May village. You can also spot the clock tower behind me. The village is designed to reflect Vietnamese ethnic heritage with the charming wooden huts and cultural decors. This is a great place to experience the beauty of northern Vietnam. Walking through here with the mist rolling in and the soft music playing in the background is just incredible.
लोग यही रूट से आए थे ऊपर, वो पूरा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा कैमरा से, फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है। ऐसे आइस से कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा। वो फॉग में चल रहे हैं, फॉग में बारिश आ रही है। यहाँ तो फटाफट अभी नीचे की फैनिक्यूलर स्टेशन पर पहुंच रहे हैं।
This was all about Fancy Pan. Now let's go back to Sapa City. We have taken the funicular down to Sapa station, leaving behind the misty peaks of Fancy Pan. The funicular is gliding down completely surrounded by thick fog, making everything look mysterious and surreal. We can barely see a few feet ahead. As we get closer to our destination, the mist starts to clear a little. And we have reached the Sapa station. सापा पहुंचते ही हम डिनर के लिए गए एट सापा वीगन किचन. दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेस टू ट्राई वीगन फूड इन सापा. After having our dinner, we came to the Sapa lake for a peaceful walk. The cool mountain air, the sound of water and the relaxing vibe make this lake a beautiful spot in Sapa.
हम लोग डिनर के बाद सापा की नाइट मार्केट में गए थे. वहाँ से मैंने ये परचेज किया है, ये कीचेन एंड ये ब्रेसलेट. एंड कल हमारी वापस बस है हेनॉय तक. सो ये सापा के 2 days थे हमारे, जहाँ हम कैट विलेज और फैंसी पान गए थे. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow this Vietnam series to know more.